What's up, guys? I wanted to show you all this awesome product that I've been using for my pitching lessons, the pitchLogic baseball. It's a baseball that has all the technology inside of it to capture every piece of data that you see on the screen, including the video. So once you get the baseball, you download the app. I use my iPad, or you could use your cell phone. And let's start here. So if I set this thing up on a tripod to where I want to see the pitcher, I can push the record button right there and then walk away, and it's going to capture every pitch for me automatically just based on when the baseball's moving and when it's caught. And then the video is really cool because you can play frame by frame and watch every point in the delivery. Moving over to the top left, this is the 3D clock face. So if you're standing behind the pitcher looking towards the catcher like this video shows you, you can see the exact orientation of the baseball at release. So if I were to stop that thing right there and then zoom in, you would see that the baseball out of this pitcher's hand looks exactly like that 3D clock face. And I've actually done tests to see, and it's spot on. So this is a four-seam fastball. You can see by the blue circle, which is the spin axis. The yellow arrow up there is the arm slot. This pitcher's got a low arm slot. You can see that matches up nicely. But you have the traditional clock face and then the 3D clock face. Below that's the spin numbers, total spin, spin efficiency, which is how much of that spin is clean spin, how behind the baseball are you on your fastball, for example. And then moving on down from that, you'll see the speed or the velocity is 79.9 miles per hour. And then the movement numbers right below that, 11 inches of vertical, 16 inches of horizontal movement, which is typical for this type of arm slot. Looking to the right of that, you'll see some mechanical numbers, the backward, forward extension. You can even see the velocity of this pitch as it crosses the plate at 55 feet, which is really cool. To the right of that, we can scroll. We can look at every pitch that this pitcher has thrown using this baseball. Really awesome. And then if I can toggle between the video capture and the 3D Explorer up here, this is a fastball and a curveball compared. So you can actually overlay pitches and get the 3D map of each pitch. So if, as a coach, I'm looking at this saying, okay, his arm paths are pretty similar. That's what those, that kind of loopy motion there, that's his arm path. And they're coming out of similar spots, but you can definitely tell a difference in trajectory of the fastball compared to the curveball. This is just a quick run through. I wanted to keep this thing short, but pretty awesome as a pitching coach to have all this information for a very reasonable price.